Today I'm sharing my makeup clean girl routine. I'm starting with the Plump Right Back primer from NYX. I love this primer because it hydrates the skin and give a really fresh plump base. The perfect match for the clean girl makeup. I love this primer for the glow and the plump my skin very well. For the eyebrows, I use the brow glue from the Nabla. This is very simple to use, is clean, and the gel during a lot of hour in the days, and the eyebrows are fixing very well. For foundation, I using the O foundation by Espresso. I apply a small amount and really blend into the skin with a makeup sponge for the natural effect, and I love so much this foundation. I want my skin to look even but still very natural and skin-like. Is very beautiful. The skin are very glow, natural and flawless finish. Next, I'm using the O Concealer by Espresso. Just where I need a bit more coverage, I keep it minimal to maintain that clean, effortless look. This concealer is a medium coverage and hydrate the skin and glow the skin, and I using the sponge for brushing, and I love this effect very much. For bronzer, I'm using cream bronzer from Clio makeup. A cream product are essential for clean girl makeup look because they melt into the skin. I use the makeup sponge for natural effect and flawless skin, and I love this product because they melt very well into the skin. Now I apply my cream blush from Glossier to give a cheeks healthy and natural finish. I love this blush because does a flawless effect and juicy cheeks. To set everything, I'm liking using the Easy Bake Power from Huda Beauty only in the area where I want the makeup to last longer, and I use the Cherry Blossom Cake. For the eyes, I keep it super simple and I'm just applying mascara from KIKO to open up the eyes and make them look more awake. And I love so much this mascara. For the lips, I'm finishing with a lip gloss. Glossy, hydrate lips really complete the clean girl vibes. This one is pink with the glitter, more simple and glow. And this is the final clean girl makeup look, fresh, glow and effortless. If you need this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video.